Hello everyone. Today I will show you our Active Directory users and groups. First, I will log in my first name admin account. Okay. Then I will open the Active Directory users and computers. Okay. Okay. And here is our Active Directory and the OUs structure. And this is our domain corp.start CNA2.local, and under that we have client computers OU, departments OU, which has child OUs in it, all the specific departments that we have, and we have uh, the exchange security groups, which is for exchange, and client computers, which is all the computers that we have, and this is for the clients and computers. We have this different set of computers. It is like different servers that join in our domain. As you can see there, we have a lot of servers been joined already, and to get how many users we have in Active Directory, we can just go to PowerShell, run as admin, and then type get ad user, and then filter it, and then type this, and then that count. You can see it has an output of 371, so a total of 371 users we have in our Active Directory. And for the groups, we have these groups. Oh, should be small s, sorry about that. Okay, we have 146 groups, total groups in our Active Directory domain. And then if you want to filter it into a specific OU on the departments that I have in our Active Directory, you can just go filter, and then asterisk, and then search base, and then the OU path that we need to provide, station, departments, and then the FQDN, which is our fully qualified domain, and this is the DC equals corp start CNA2.local, and then DC equals local, then quotation marks, colon, dot count. Okay, so you can see for the administration department we have 48, and if you go to other departments, yes, say engineering, okay, we have 70, and for finance and accounting, we have 27. For the IT services, we have 25, and for the purchasing, we have 17, and for the research research development. We have 51, and for sales and marketing we have 40, and for special projects we have 56. Okay, so if you want to see the detailed users inside the OUs that we have, you can just remove this, and then I'll just test it on the IT services, so I can show you our admin and user accounts. Okay, so you can see it filtered out, and inside IT services OU I have a admin user called Kyle admin, Andrew admin, Colton admin, Kate admin, and Ryan admin. These are all our admin accounts that are a member of domain admins, and we have just scroll up, user account. So we have Terry user, Step user. This is all user accounts. These two user account is not a member of domain admin. It's a member of only domain users, because these accounts don't have administrative privileges. But this account, Terry admin, Step admin, is a member of a domain admin account, because they have administrator privilege. And this Ryan user, Keith user, Andrew user, Colton user, Cal user, this is all domain user account, because they have they are a member of domain users. Okay, and then if I go to each OUs for the groups, as you can see here, in every OUs that I created, there is a specific OU for each department group. So inside this specific department group that I created, there is called Stark Industries Administration. This group is domain local. So the members are the global security groups that I have on this OU, which is admin A, B, C, and D. Okay, and for the engineering department group, we have all the users in here, and all the managers are in here as well, because I divided the users groups and a manager groups for engineering, as well as the other departments that I have in our domain. As you can see, this is our domain local, and then the members are the global security groups that we have, and this is the users, which is the members are all the global security groups that I have here in my domain in engineering department. Okay, and next is finance and accounting department group. As you can see, we only have 3 users group in this department, because it only has 27 users, which is quite few. And we have, of course, we have admin users and managers. So the member of the admin group is managers. This is the finance managers. And for the IT services, we have step user and Terry user, which is user account. Then Cal admin, Kate admin, which is admin accounts, and Terry admin, step admin, which is admin accounts. For the that's for the project managers. This is this step admin, step user, Terry admin, Terry user is for the our project managers. So because in production environment, I believe that you will have one user account and one admin account, which is they have different functions and different privilege. If you're like, if you can use only for user account, user privilege, you can just use the user account, and if you want administrative privilege, you can use the administrative account. As you can see here, Stark Industries IT users, the members in this users are all the user groups that I have here in this department. This is the managers, I believe, and this is the group, which is the user group. And for the admin, there's only one member, which is the managers, which is the admin users. Purchasing, you can see 4 different user groups and admin with the member of a managers for the admin accounts and users, which is all the users that purchasing have. Research development group, we have 5 users, 5 managers, 5 user account, 5 managers group and 5 user groups. And users, which is the domain local, so it has all the global security groups that it have in this department, which is research development, research admin, and the members are the managers, all the managers that here in this department. Sales and marketing, that's 5 managers and 5 users group as well. So users, all the users, even the managers are added here because for this domain local group, it has all the users that resides in this department. And for the admin, it has only the managers. That's for the administrative purpose. And special projects group, we have 4 groups, different security groups here divided, and managers as well. And then the users are all the managers and the projects group, global security group. And for the admin, should be only the managers here. And I just have this group created, which is software restriction department exception group. These groups are the exempted group that I because I apply a GPO called software restriction policy. What it does is it restricts specific users to use the applications, which is FreeCAD for engineering, GNU Cache for accounting, and Open Workbench for administration users. This group that I added, they will be exempted on that policy, so they can use the application that they can use the application and they will not be affected by the GPO because I apply the GPO or link it in the department's top level OU, and all the OUs under the departments is gonna be affected, but this groups is gonna be exempted. And then I think that's everything in our AD structure and ADOU departments group. And thank you for watching and listening, and have a nice day.